Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, and aged egg whites. Precision is key, so measure everything carefully. A kitchen scale is your best friend here. Also, make sure all your equipment is spotless and free of any grease, as this can prevent your meringue from forming correctly. Let's get started. Next, we'll tackle the meringue. For a stable macaron, an Italian meringue is often preferred. This involves cooking sugar and water to a specific temperature, then slowly pouring it into whipping egg whites. Once your meringue is stiff and glossy, it's time for macaronage. Gently fold your dry ingredients into the meringue until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a figure 8 without breaking. Now for the fun part, piping. Use a round tip to pipe consistent circles onto your prepared baking sheets. After piping, firmly tap the sheets on your counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, which helps prevent hollow shells. Then, let your macarons rest. This crucial step allows a skin to form on the surface, which helps create those iconic feet during baking. This can take anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to the correct temperature and bake your macarons until they develop their characteristic feet and are firm to the touch. Oven calibration is super important here. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before attempting to remove them. This prevents breakage. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Happy baking, and enjoy your delicious homemade macarons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.